All right, hi everybody. Here's question 99 from chapter 5. This case, we have some sort of unknown gas that we want the molar mass for. We're given the mass with an empty and a full flask of it, which indirectly gives us the mass of the gas. We have the volume and the pressure and the temperature. Pretty straightforward ideal gas problem. Okay, so first, I guess let's find the mass of the gas. So the mass of the gas in this case is just delta M, I guess. 143.289. That's the full one minus 0.187 for the empty one. This gives us 0.10202 grams for the mass of the gas. Okay, so to solve this, we're going to rewrite the well, I guess you could do this two different ways. You could say that the moles are equal to the formula weight of the gas, with the mass divided by that. This gives you like grams over grams per mole, right? So grams will cancel, and you'll get moles up top as your final unit. That's one way to do it. So we'll take that approach in this case. You could also, if you prefer to just have less crap going on in the equations that you write, you could solve for the moles first, and then you could calculate your formula weight with the mass afterwards. So either of the two, that'll work for you. Okay, so in this case, we're gonna do this like this. So we're gonna have N equals PV over RT. We're gonna rewrite N as mass over formula weight equals all this still, right? And then we're just going to switch these two values here. So we're going to end up solving for the formula weight equal to mass divided by PV over RT, just like that. Okay, let's make that happen. So formula weight of the mystery gas is equal to the mass, which is 102 grams, divided by, the pressure is in millibars, right, which I pre-converted to 35.6 kilopascals. So 100 kilopascals is equal to 1 bar, and therefore, anyway, 6 times 0.255 liters divided by the constant 8.314 by mole Kelvin times 298.15 Kelvin. All right, and once we evaluate that disaster, we calculate 27.85 grams per mole, and that's our formula weight there. But again, if this is too much of a headache to do this whole thing, especially if you're doing all this like in a calculator in one shot, it's easy to slip with a set of brackets or something like that and juxtapose it wrong. You can always calculate your moles beforehand and then mass over moles, and you'll get the same answer. Nothing wrong with either.